In this video, we'll be showing you how leaderboards work on your fundraiser or sponsored event. Having leaderboards showing on a fundraiser or sponsored event means you and your community can see how classes or groups are progressing, which builds a friendly competitive element into the fundraising. This is designed to encourage more giving by reaching out to more donors if one class or group can see that they are close to another. It can turn the fundraiser into a game with ranking, milestones, and maybe even prizes for classes or groups that raise the most, which in turn makes it more engaging and motivating. To add a leaderboard, first log in as an administrator. Then by using the event template wizard, create your fundraiser or sponsored event. On the fundraising information page, check the Allow Individual Registration checkbox and the Show Leaderboards checkbox. Full information on how to set up these events and how individual registration works can be found in the link below. If the feature was not enabled during the template setup, or you wish to disable it, simply head to the event setup page where you will find the Show Leaderboards checkbox. Enabled leaderboards will then be visible to your community on the event page. And that's it, you now know how leaderboards work on your fundraiser or sponsored event on your website. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.